Welcome back to another episode of What's Wrong with This Verse, where let's consider Matthew 6:24 seen at the parallel view at Bible Hub, where we read, no one can serve two masters, okay? And so what's the problem with masters? Well, it should be translated lords, as we see here in the DLT translation. Not one is able to slave to lords, where all of these other translations we see masters, 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 okay? So, to verify this, we can simply go to the Greek view here, and we see that the word translated masters erroneously is from the Greek noun kurios, which is lord or lords if it's found in the plural. And you see here that the definition says Lord here, but it also says master. But this is not correct. If you come back to the DLT and you search the word master, we find verses that contain the word master, right? In fact, 7 hits. And if you do a little research, you'll see that there is another Greek word which is not kurios, okay? But epistates, which defines that which is a master. Okay, and here the epi is from the preposition epi, that which is on or upon a thing. Epistates, or master, defines one who is literally upon standing one who stands over a matter or a task in the sense of being superior due to his knowledge and ability. So this is why the DLT is a much better translation, because they take the care to define words according to the patterns of words being healthy, not mincing words and mixing and matching words, because these belong to different words and word families. So to wrap this up in closing, again, kurios always defines a lord or lords, not a master. So, master, scratch it off. Sir, no, it's lord or lords. Where epistates always defines a master, okay? Which the DLT consistently translates in all of these verses. Now, here, master is correct, but teacher, chief, and commander is not. Namely, a teacher is yet another Greek word, consistently translated in the DLT here, in all 60 occurrences, which is from didaskalos, a teacher, not a master. So we are not to mince words. This is what brings all the confusion into the Word of God. Not having a pattern of words being healthy, which the DLT software here has corrected. And if you would like a copy of the DLT Devar Works software application of both the Old Testament and the New Testament, including concepts explanations and other functions, email me at therevelationdeception@gmail.com, and I will send you a link to my Google Drive, which include files for PC, Macintosh, and/or Android devices. And thank you for watching.